Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for honey farm. Honey and other sugary products are sure to hit the market. Beekeeping is also one of the in-demand jobs in the market. This does not only contribute to environmental conservation, but also helps the production of agricultural crops through pollination. Reach more clients and get your business known through your paid ads. Protect your ads and your advertising budget with TrafficGuard. Grow your digital advertising with confidence. 3 formidable layers of protection block both general invalid traffic, GIVT, and sophisticated invalid traffic, SIVT, to ensure that digital advertising results in real engagements. With visibility of traffic across thousands of campaigns, TrafficGuard's machine learning can identify emerging patterns, trends, and indicators of fraud quickly and reliably. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.